Sister Wives star Mary Brown reveals if she got married again amid shocking wedding rumors. And Build Me Up Buttercup. Mary prettiest floral outfits after glam body transformation. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my update gossip channel. Sister Wives star Mary Brown jokingly addressed rumors of getting married again. Mary, the first wife of Kody Brown, shares one son with her ex-husband. She consented to Kody Brown's request for a polygamous marriage, allowing him to bring in other wives. After Kody began showing favoritism among his wives, Mary found herself taking a backseat in her relationship with Kody and straining her relationship with some of the wives. Mary eventually decided to get divorced in 2023, following in the footsteps of Christine and Janelle Brown. Sister Wives star Mary Brown took to Instagram to address rumors that she recently got married. Mary recently created and shared a college photo on social media, which appeared to poke fun at herself for allegedly getting married 4 times. The photo included snippets of wedding rumors thought have been circulating about her love life. However, despite not being closed off to the idea of marrying again, she doesn't seem to be settling down anytime soon. In the photo caption, Mary expressed her contentment with life and its ever-changing nature. She wrote, "Listen, don't slow down on your life. Keep it full speed ahead. Do something every day that moves you in the direction of your dreams. We only have this one life, and it gets shorter every day. Don't get to the end of it and wonder what could have been." It seems that the Sister Wives star isn't taking the false wedding rumors to heart, and hilariously went on to say, "Even if you want to get married 4 times in a week, do it." Mary's life has undergone significant changes since her divorce from Kody. Her career and personal achievements have taken the forefront in her life, and she has been thriving in her weight loss journey. Mary enjoys showing off her post-divorce weight loss in photos while spending time with her friends and family. Aside from her weight loss, Mary has launched her business Worth Up, a project which aims to create a community where individuals share personal experiences and growth, with memberships ranging from $150 to $600. Her success doesn't stop there, as Mary is the owner of a notable B&B, Ligi Heritage Inn, which she purchased in 2019. With all the success in her personal and business life, Mary Brown faced a huge tragedy recently. With all the good things happening in her life, Mary and the Sister Wives clan faced a significant loss this year, with the passing of Garrison Brown. The son of Janelle and Kody, Garrison's tragic death rocked the entire Brown family, leaving everyone devastated, including Mary. Having watched him grow up, Mary was a significant part of Garrison's life, and the news of his death changed her world forever. She has mourned his death, posting throwbacks and a tribute to the 25-year-old, commemorating his life and loss. Throughout all the changes taking place in her life, Mary is embracing it all. She has remained strong in the face of public criticism from fans and those in the Sister Wives circle. From her successful business ventures to her weight loss journey, Mary has been embracing her healing journey and thriving this year. Regardless of her failed marriage and relationship with Kody, Mary isn't allowing anything to hold her back anymore, and it'll be exciting to see where her journey takes her. Sister Wives Mary Brown is showing off her body transformation with new floral outfits. Mary was the first wife of Kody Brown, and she pioneered the polygamous lifestyle the Brown family lived in for years. When the family joined Sister Wives, Kody was married to Christine Brown and Janelle Brown and was in the process of courting his now only wife, Robyn Brown. Mary and Kody had a difficult relationship that was strained after she started talking to another man online and found out a woman was catfishing her. After she broke Kody's trust, their relationship was never the same. Kody often neglected Mary, and chose Robin over all of his other wives. The real reason Christine left Cody is he didn't want an intimate marriage with her, something Mary's relationship also lacked. Mary finally left Cody in Sister Wives, season 18, and she been on a path of self-discovery since. Mary began her weight loss journey after splitting from her ex-husband, and is showcasing her glam body transformation with new fashion styles. As the foundations would say, build me up buttercup, because Mary is looking better than ever post-split from Cody. Mary was glowing on Instagram in a buttercup yellow floral top. Each Friday, Mary hosts her own Fridays with Friends series on Instagram to cultivate a community with friends. She typically goes live on Instagram with her friend, Jen Sullivan, who has offered her support throughout the years. Mary started Fridays with Friends during the pandemic as something to look forward to each week during isolation. She was secluded in her marriage with Cody for years, so it's a nice change of pace to see Mary happy rather than sad. Mary and Cody began having serious problems after she virtually cheated on Cody. Mary thought she was talking to a man but was talking to a woman she met in person. Cody felt betrayed by the situation, though Mary believes that they were dealing with issues before that, which led her to form another relationship. During an episode of Sister Wives Look Back, How We Started, Cody said the catfishing incident still upsets him because Mary is in full denial of what actually happened roughly 8 years later. The experience of Mary catfish makes me extremely angry. From then on, Cody was checked out from his marriage with Mary for the rest of their relationship. They broke up after being together for 33 years during Sister Wives, season 18. During the video footage from Mary's Instagram live, she was beaming. Mary been looking so much happier since she split from Cody. She always has a good time with Jen, who her closest friend and support system. Instead of spreading negativity after getting divorced, Mary has chosen to spread positivity with her Fridays with Friends Instagram live series. Mary beamed in a yellow, peach, and brown floral top on her Instagram. She had exciting news for her followers, announcing more details about her bed and breakfast retreat, Ligi Heritage. I am so excited, she said. Mary tracked her experience, buying her great-grandparents' old home on Sister Wives and transforming it into a bed and breakfast. Throughout Sister Wives, season 18, Mary told the family about her plans to move from Flagstaff, Arizona to Parowan, Utah, so she could focus on the B&B. The B&B was Mary's escape from Cody and his controlling tendencies. It gave Mary something to look forward to while her marriage was failing. While the B&B used to be owned by her great-grandparents, Mary didn't inherit the home and had to purchase it herself. She borrowed $40,000 from the family to do so. It was a hot topic on the show, and it's great to see the investment has paid off. Mary is happy operating her B&B and takes great pride in the business. The reality star took some time to relax at the beach in a boho halter top. On Instagram, Mary posed for a selfie with the bright water and the beach in the background. She towered over a railing and looked very happy. In the picture, Mary expressed that she was enjoying her life, even though her marriage with Cody had ended in the caption of the Instagram post. She hinted at enjoying the single life, writing adventuring when I want, relaxing when I need, businessing because I can, just killing it at life. If you're not doing the things you want to in your life, look at little changes you can make daily to get you to where you want to go. The Mary that fans see in Sister Wives is a stark contrast to the personality she showcases on social media. On Sister Wives, she constantly navigating deep and dark conversations about the Brown family. When she started the show, Mary looked happy and healthy. However, as the series went on throughout the years, she began looking sad and miserable. Currently, Mary is doing much better after losing weight and leaving her marriage. Reach up, rise up, lift up. Where do you want to be? What goals do you have? Who do you surround yourself with? Who inspires you? Put yourself in the presence of those you can learn from. No one ever said, I hit this goal because I hung out with someone who didn't know anything about it. Think about it. Do you learn 8th grade math by hanging out with the 6th graders or the 8th grade math teacher? Do you learn to cook by hanging out with your baby brother or your mom? We all have something to give, to offer, to learn. When you're working toward a goal, put yourself in the space with someone who knows, who you can learn from, who encourages and inspires you. Read the books from the pros. Find out everything there is to know and then go out and do it. Reach up and blow your own mind. Watch that magic happen. Mary shows her weight loss on Instagram with full body photos. In a full body shot, Mary's body looked slim and peaceful, throwing up two peace signs toward the mountains in the distance. She posed with her arms up, wearing a floral shirt and cut-off shorts, highlighting her glam body transformation. She shared some words of wisdom via the caption, writing, reach up, rise up, lift up. She continued to write about how important it is to set goals for yourself and to learn from someone who encourages and inspires you. Mary's post was inspirational, and the caption heightened the message she shared. Her fans were supportive in the comments on the Instagram post. Looking good, girl. Love the top. Another user commended the glow up that Mary had since leaving Cody, writing, I'm just happy to see you happy. It was time for Mary and Cody relationship to be called off during Sister Wives, season 18. Though it was a difficult conversation, her life is much better for it. Sister Wives star Mary has been moving on with her life since leaving Cody. In Sister Wives, one of the best reality TV shows, Mary looked miserable in her marriage. She was always cast aside by her husband, no matter how much Robin wanted her relationship with Cody to work out. In her confessional moments, she rarely smiled or looked happy. Since her split, Mary has undergone a glam body transformation, experimenting with floral fashions she posts on social media. What do you think about this video? Please told on comment box. Also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.